guys, happy new year. Welcome to my channel in a beautiful new year on a new day with a new video. So I wish all of you a very happy new year, and I really hope that you guys have the best year ahead of you and may all your wishes come true and you guys are always happy and you guys are always in the best of the spirits. So today let's start with the sugar box with my lovely sugars, you guys, of course. So today we are doing the sugar box video, and this is their winter box. I guess this is called as their winter box, and this is an amazing box. You guys know that for some reason I really like sugar box. Not so much for the price point, but yes, I would say I really like it for the kind of things that they offer. So if you're not aware, basically Sugarbox is a lifestyle box and they give you anything randomly, and I think that's the best part of Sugarbox because you can expect anything. You can expect makeup, beauty products, you can expect clothes, eatables. I mean, they can literally give you anything. So I have this box right over here. Of course, it comes really beautifully packed, so it is a treat for the eyes. It is so beautiful. Now inside of it, everything is very nicely packed. I don't know how they actually pack everything in here because once I take everything out of the box, it is impossible for me to actually put them back. So that's why I never really take them out before I do a video. So yes, everything comes very neatly and beautifully packed, and as you can see, we have all the products right here, which of course I'm going to show you. So the first thing, as it is called, is a winter edition. They have a lot of thing which is relatable to the winters. So if you are living in a warmer place, probably this box will not be for you, but for all those people who are like freezing during the winters, like I am right now at this moment, probably this box would come in handy. The first is a sweatshirt, and this is what it looks like. It is a charcoal gray color one. It says I woke up like this in Hindi, and it has a pink heart. It is kind of a print material, not really print, it is a stick-on material, rubbery stamp kind of a material, yes. And this is what it looks like. So it is not very warm because it's called as winter edition. I was expecting something like a little bit warmer. This is not warm, it is like a t-shirt material, but yes, I can sleep in these maybe, yeah. So it's one of the hoodies that I got, and yeah, that's the first thing in the box. The next thing in the box is a beanie. So I was in need of one, and it's a beautiful charcoal grey color, very wearable. This is what it looks like. It is very nicely knitted. It has a flower on the side, and the best part of it is the inside part. It is quite fuzzy, it is quite comfortable, it is very warm. So I'm going to really enjoy this part. So I don't know why, but I cannot really wear beanies. I don't know, my head begins to hurt, but I guess I should, you know, it's really cold outside. So yeah, something that I really like, and I like the color. It's a very wearable color. The next thing that I got in the box is a pair of gloves. Now gloves are really important. You know, I remember those school days when I was in school. I remember subah school jaate waqt my hands used to shiver. So हमेशा जो हमारा, I guess मेरा जो first period, no, हमारी class 0 period से start होती थी, and I remember 0 period was the moral science period, and we used to write, and my hands used to literally like shake before writing. So I always used to think कि काश मैंने gloves पहना होता. मैं हमेशा भूल जाती थी gloves पहनना. So I remember those times. और फिर February March में exams होते हैं और सुबह सुबह ठंड होती थी, तो हमेशा writing ऐसे टेढ़ी मेढ़ी होती थी. I don't know, this gloves is reminding me of all those times, you know, when I was little and I used to write during the chilly cold mornings. But these are nice. These are navy in color, and these are quite nice. I mean, I really like them, and they just fit so well. My hands are tiny anyway, so if your hands are a little bit big, I guess it's going to fit everyone because it is kind of a little bit stretchable as well. Really nice, yeah. I'm going to really enjoy this during these times. Yes, thank you so much, Sugarbox. This one's really nice. So yeah, that was that. Then we have something over here. We all need lip balm, right? And I practically am like applying lip balms like a crazy. This is a lip balm by Hilary Rhoda, and says natural moisture, magic color, 6 hours continuous moisture lip balm. It says moisturizing lip effect and provide effective moisturizing. So now I really did try it, and it doesn't really give 6 hours of moisturization, that's pretty sure. So this one is a 3-gram product. So when you apply this lip balm, after a little while it turns pink, kind of. It turns your lips pink, and it is moisturizing. I love the packaging of it. It feels like really good quality. and feels like a lipstick, you know, it doesn't feel like a lip balm. So love the packaging of this one. Actually love the packaging, and I love that how it just gives your lips a nice shiny pink tint, which I kind of really like, with some goodness of the lip balm. So yeah, this is a very useful product for the winter. So this is the one by Hilary Rhoda. And then I got, oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, so anything stationery is the love of my life, because I need stationery so much, and even if I don't need it, I just hold on to stationery quite a lot. These are sticky notes, and these are 20 sheets into 7 pieces. So they're like 7 of these, and there are 20 sheets of each, and these are so cute. These are like cacti print, and these are really cute of every size. So we are into the New Year's, we all need planners, and I love, it's a thing with me. I love to plan during the first month, and then for planning you know, it takes a back seat. But during the month of January, it is so important to plan. I don't know why. And I think for that purpose, it's going to be so handy. These sticky notes are so good quality. Oh my goodness, I love these. Thank you so much, Sugarbox, for stationery. Always use an item of stationery in your box, because it's just so amazing. Really like it. And these are like so smooth. Yeah, sticky notes. And of every size. इतने छोटे से sticky note पे क्या लिख सकते हैं? इतना छोटा सा ये. It's such a small one. So cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, the next thing that we have is in this little pouch. It's such a tiny, beautiful red pouch. It's so tiny. Oh my god, everything minuscule is so much fun. So we have rings over here. The first is this one. So it's a silver ring, which looks something like this. Okay, I don't know how to wear it, but this is okay. How would you wear a ring, Sana? You're talking crazy. So a nice ring, and then you have this black one. I like this black one. It gives some character to the outfit. It is adjustable. The rings are adjustable, and this is what the ring looks like. I like the black one. I don't know, it is really nice. Really like it. And then guys, we have the last thing over here. I guess this is a cookie in over here, which is shaped as a Christmas tree. I'm a little bit late, I'm sorry. This was meant for the month of December, but this is shaped as a Christmas tree, and it's a cookie, and I really, I guess, would love it. I don't know how this tastes, but yeah, it's very pretty. It's very nicely packed as well, so really like it. And the last thing, which I almost forgot to show you guys, is this bag. Now we have a maroon bag, you guys know. I'm really digging maroon bags at the moment. It's just the color of the season. I feel like such a warm, beautiful color. And this is now Sugarbox. I know Sugarbox for the quality of bags that they give. The quality of bags that they actually give is really good. So this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful round bag with small little things like pom-poms on the side. Actually, this is just meant to hold this strap. The strap is not so good quality, but the bag is good quality. So there's a zipper. This is a suede material right over here, and then the rest of the bag is a PU material. So when I open it, I don't know if they have anything else, anything more inside the bag. So there's this compartment right over here where you can keep a little bit of cash and cards and some handy things over here. And then in the side part, this is the main compartment, and there are fillers inside of it. Let me just remove it. So inside of it, they have a lot of space. It's quite spacious, guys. I can literally put all of this inside of it. Yes, so all of the things can actually go inside of it. Still, there would be space left. So it's very spacious. These kind of bags in general, which are a little bit boxy, are spacious. So yeah, I really love this bag. God bless me. I'm sorry. So I just wish the quality of the strap could have been a little bit better. I don't like the quality of the strap, but yes, the quality of this one is really nice. So I might just remove it and use it as a makeup pouch or something. So guys, that was the winter edition of Sugarbox for you. I really hope you've liked it. So yeah, do let me know your favorite thing from the box. I feel that the box is a little bit expensive. I don't know why, but I always feel that Sugarbox is a little bit pricey in comparison to other boxes. But yes, the quality of the products that they offer is always good. So maybe it's quite relative, you know. Affordability is a very relative term, but the thing is that I personally feel that this is a little bit expensive. That is my personal opinion. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Do let me know, how is your New Year's going? How's January treating you so far? And yeah, I really feel like everything is just the same. I don't know why. I'm not so excited about 2019. I should be. Anyways, thanks so much once again for watching this video. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. If you like to watch my content, hit that red button right over there, hit that bell button right next to that so that you get the notifications and updates from my future videos. And yes, give this video a like, and yeah, comment anything in the comment section below. I am sure going to reply to you guys. I'm so sorry, I've been really slacking and I've been really lagging behind in the comment section. I was just not able to reply to you guys, but I promise you I'm going to catch up on that with this video onwards. So yes, thank you so much once again. I love you all so much. Take care of yourselves and keep smiling always. I love you. Bye guys. Mwah.